Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to view your screenshots on your Nintendo Switch, or if you did like some sort of like video recording or something like that. Now if you took a screenshot on the home screen here, all we have to do is go on down to where it says elbow, and it kind of has like a screenshot kind of icon to it. So we can go to this at any point in time, and then here is all my screenshots and videos. So it looks like I was playing Rocket League at one point in time. So I have 24 screenshots under here. And what is this? I don't know, when I'm playing Super Smash Brothers. So this is my first screenshot right here. And it looks like I was just playing Super Smash Brothers. But we have all these different options on the bottom, like hide, delete, back, or if we press A, we can share it. We can post it, send it to our smartphone, add text, copy it, or delete it. So let's see what post is. Only this one. So let's post this. And who's posting? I'm not entirely sure what posting is, so we're going to post to our Facebook account or Twitter, which doesn't exist anymore. It's now called X. X is going to give it to you. So you can link your accounts there and then post it to those individual things. I don't know if I have Facebook posted, link. Nope, we do not. But you do have that as an option. So otherwise you can send it on over to your smartphone if you have the Nintendo Switch app, which I think you need for the online services. And then you can go ahead and view it on there and then just share it via your phone. So you can look at all your images here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.